Ever felt like you're doing everything right with your dropshipping store, great ads, a beautiful website, but you're still not seeing the sales you want? What if the problem isn't your marketing, but your products? What if you're stuck selling the same generic items as every other store, the ones that arrive in plain packaging with a flimsy plastic feel? The ones that just don't inspire customer loyalty? Dropshipping is a goldmine, but the secret to winning isn't just about finding any supplier. It's about finding the right one. The one that offers high-quality products from reliable vendors, fast shipping, and a brand experience that makes customers feel like they're buying something special, not just another trinket from an overseas factory. That's where Spocket comes in. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on one of the most powerful tools in the dropshipping world. We'll walk through exactly how to set up your account, find winning products that customers will love, and automate the entire order fulfillment process so you can focus on growing your brand, not packing boxes. First things first, you need to sign up. Head over to the Spocket website and click on the Start Free Trial button. It's super straightforward. They'll ask for some basic information and then you'll be dropped into your dashboard. This is the control center for your entire dropshipping operation. Once you're in, the real fun begins, product hunting. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Search. This is where you'll find a treasure trove of products from vetted suppliers. The key here is to use the filters. You can filter by category, price, shipping location, and even whether the product offers branded invoicing. This last one is a game changer. Branded invoicing means your customers receive a packing slip with your store's logo on it. It's a simple touch that elevates your brand from a faceless dropshipper to a legitimate business. Now, let's talk about a powerful feature that sets Spocket apart, the shipping filter. You can filter products to show only those from US and EU suppliers. This is crucial. It means faster shipping times, happier customers, and fewer customer service headaches. Imagine your competitors' customers waiting 4 weeks for their order, while yours gets a beautiful package in less than a week. That's how you build a loyal following. Once you find a product you like, click on it. You'll see detailed information, photos, a product description, and most importantly, the estimated shipping time and cost. If it looks good, click Add to Import List. This is like a shopping cart for your store. You can add as many products as you want and then, once you're ready, you can push them all to your Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce store with a single click. Before you push them, though, take a moment to customize. In your import list, you can edit the product title, rewrite the description to match your brand's voice, and even adjust the pricing. Spocket provides a suggested retail price, but you're in control. Remember to factor in your desired profit margin. A good rule of thumb is to aim for at least a 30 to 40% margin after all costs. Once you've perfected your product listings, simply select them and click Push to Store. Spocket will automatically sync the products to your e-commerce platform. It's that easy. Your store is now stocked and ready to go. So, what happens when an order comes in? This is the best part. When a customer buys something, the order appears automatically in your Spocket dashboard. All you have to do is click Checkout. The supplier will be notified, and they'll handle the packing and shipping directly to your customer. Spocket even takes care of the tracking numbers, syncing them back to your store so your customers can follow their package. The entire process is automated, giving you back precious time to focus on marketing and growing your brand. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.